Honor has launched its new pair of earbuds, the Honor Earbuds Open, sporting lightweight and featuring an ergonomic, crescent-shaped design made with food-grade silicone for comfort. They include a nickel titanium memory alloy C-bridge for durability and flexibility, making them suitable for extended wear and compatible with glasses. The Honor Earbuds Open measures 49.22 by 39.52 by 15.6 millimeters, weighs 7.9 grams each, and comes with a charging case measuring 80.44 by 61.02 by 20.45 millimeter and weighing 52.5 grams. Earbuds boast a 16mm multi-magnetic circuit dynamic driver with a high elastic TPU, composite diaphragm, and titanium-plated dome tweeter for immersive sound. Moreover, they also support spatial audio and are IP54 rated for water and dust resistance. The Earbuds Open feature AI-powered real-time translation, making them best for international travelers and professionals. The shared mode allows bilingual communication, while the translation feature improves understanding during lectures and meetings. Additionally, the earbuds boast a triple microphone hybrid active noise cancellation system, effectively reducing ambient noise for both music playback and voice calls. They come with an AI privacy call feature that minimizes sound leakage, ensuring confidential conversations even in quiet environments. The Honor Earbuds Open support Bluetooth 5.2 with dual device pairing for stable connectivity and seamless audio switching. The recently launched Honor earbuds feature intuitive touch controls, including double tap, triple tap, swipe, and long press. The earbuds provide up to 6 hours of playback on a single charge and 22 hours with a charging case. They have fast charging, giving 2 hours of playback with just a 15-minute charge, and the case fully recharges in approximately 110 minutes. The earbuds are offered in two color options, Polar Gold and Polar Black. The price of Honor Earbuds Open in the Malaysian market is $699, which is around $155. The earbuds are likely to launch in other markets soon.